big shout out to my how to do this and that guys on all platforms. So what I have here on this table is an Amazon Fire TV stick. I will be making a video about this Fire TV. So before that, I would like to show you what the box contains. This looks like an unboxing video, but not really an unboxing video because this is not a new Fire TV stick. It's mine. I've been using it already, but I would like to show you what it's inside. So it has a USB charger, a cord, 2 AA type battery, the remote control for the Fire TV stick, and the Fire TV itself, the stick. So the Fire TV stick would be at the back of your plasma TV. It uses an HDMI port and has a USB by the side to power it. And the charger, if your TV gets to have a USB by the side, you wouldn't need this. And here's the remote. It uses an AA size battery. So here's how to connect this. Yeah, and we are good to go like this. So stay tuned while I show you how to connect this to your TV. The Fire TV to my plasma TV. So this is the Fire TV. The HDMI mount, you connect this to one of the HDMI here. So I'm connecting this to the HDMI 1. The HDMI 1. So this is the cord that comes with the Fire TV. The USB mount here would go into this Fire TV by the side. Then this would go to any of the USB ports here. So I can just use one. The purpose of this USB connected to the Fire TV and TV is to power the Fire TV stick. That's why I said you wouldn't need this charger if you have a USB by your TV. So we are good to go. Now we can put it on and use the remote. Okay, so after connecting our Amazon Fire TV to the TV, now let's go check it up and see how you can watch movies for free. So the Fire TV is connected to the HDMI 1. So here we are. This is the Fire TV right now. So first of all, you have to be connected to the internet. You connect to an hotspot, probably from your phone or a modem anywhere. So right now I'm connected to, I think I'm connected to my, to my Galaxy Notes. And let's go check this. So what you need is internet connection, a VPN, and of course the Fire TV. So now let's go search for a VPN, because right now you can only use YouTube and some other channels. Most of the movie channels on Fire TV are for US and I think some other countries alone, but for African countries I don't think the service is provided. So now to be able to watch those movies and channels, you need the VPN. So let's go for the VPN. Okay, so right now I'm connected to the internet, and before we use the VPN, let me show you why you need to have the VPN on your Amazon Fire TV to watch free movies. Let's go to IMDb and try to watch a movie from there. You see this, unable to play video. This video is unavailable in your area. Please select another title to watch. Exactly. This is because right now I'm not connected to any US location. That is why they are not allowing me to use IMDb to watch movies now. So now let's go back to home page and connect to a VPN. I have Winscribe already, but to download VPN for new users, you go to find here. then under Find App Store. Under App Store, you go to all categories. I'm trying to get it to load. Okay, under all categories, you go to utilities. Yes, so here we have a lot of VPN, ExpressVPN, IPVanish, Node, Windscribe, and some other VPN. So I have Windscribe installed already, so I don't need to install it. So this VPN, to use them, you have to be signed up. So you can just do that on your phone before downloading it here, or you can do it here too. So now I want to try and connect to a location using Windscribe. I use New York often, so I'm just trying to connect to New York now. Yes, we are connected. So let's go back and try and watch a movie on IMDb, and let's see the magic. Okay, so this is one of the movies I'm currently watching. So let's try and play it. Okay, so now it's playing. Here we are. You see that? Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so that's it. To watch movies on FireTV and some other channels too. A lot of channels here don't allow users from other locations to use the service, so that's why you need a VPN. So enjoy this free offer. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and please share this video. Thank you.